stars above, they twinkle so bright, but my mind's lost in a darkened fight. Thoughts swirl like the washing machine spin. In the stillness I feel alone within. White noise whispers a soothing sound, but my heart beats a lonely pound. In this quiet I find myself alone, lost in thoughts where my heart has flown. Maybe it's just a night's soft embrace, or maybe I'm just feeling this way. With every spin, my heart's in a race, but in the end, I'll find my way. In the darkness, I see the light. Hope starts to grow a gentle sight. Every spin, every wash, a new start. In the white noise, I find my part. With each cycle, my fears fade.